Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson number 2, page 24. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Innal hamdalillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Respected students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our second lesson. Today we'll be doing page 24 of our Qaidah. In today's lesson, we shall be reading the letters. In the last lesson, in lesson number 1, we were going through all the letters. We were reading and learning to pronounce the letters. But in the first lesson, we were reading and learning the lesson in the alphabetical order. Today, inshallah, we shall be reading and learning the letters and pronouncing the letters not in an alphabetical order, but randomly. They have mixed up the letters. And inshallah, today we shall learn to identify and pronounce the letters, inshallah. So, page 24, box number 1. The first letter is Ha. You see, we said there were 3 letters with the same shape. Jim, Ha, and Kha. And the letter Ha had no dot. So in box number 1, this is Ha. In box number 2, the letter is Mim. Box number 3 is Tha. Remember, Tha, there are 2 other letters with the same shape as Tha, but Tha has 3 dots on the top. Box number 4, Lam, Lam. Box number 5, Jeem, Jeem. If you look at box number 1 and box number 5, they both have the same shape. But the box number 1 is Ha, it has no dot. And box number 5 is Jeem, and it has 1 dot at the bottom. Now, let's read the same line backwards. We started from Ha and we read all the way to G, all the way till Jim. Now we shall read the other way round. We shall start with Jim and end up at Ha. So let's start from Jim. Box number 5, Jim. Then Lam. Then Tha. Then Mim. And finally Ha. Well done. Let's start the next line. The next line starts with box number 6. Box number 6 is Ta. Ta. This is a full mouth letter. Ta. Next one, box number 7, Dhal. Dhal. Box number 8, Za, Za. Box number 9, Seen, Seen. Box number 10, Sad, Sad. So again, box number 10, the letter Sad is a full mouth letter. Remember, there in the first lesson, we read the alphabet and we said that there were 7 letters in the alphabet which were all full mouth. 7 letters were full mouth. Let's quickly recap the 7 letters which are full mouth. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, Qaf. Okay? Please try to memorize by heart and try to learn these letters by heart, the full mouth letters. In this line, in this second line, we have come across 2 letters which are full mouth. The first one is Ta, and then the last letter in that line is Sad. Okay, well done. Now, the second line, let's go from back to forward. Let's go from left to right. Let's start with box number 10. Swad, Sin, Za, Val, Ta. Well done. Let's start the third line. The third line starts from box number 11. Qaf, Qaf is a full mouth letter, remember. Box number 12. Dad, Dad. Again, this is another full mouth letter. Box number 13. Kha, Kha. This is another full mouth letter. Then box number 14. Dha, Dha. Again, this is a full mouth letter. And then box number 15. Ghain, Ghain. So as you may have noticed, this third line, the whole of the third line is full mouth. Every single letter in this line is full mouth. Yes. Let's carry on. The third line, let's go from box number 15 to box number 11. So box number 15, Ghain, Dha, Kha, Dad, Qaf. Well done. Let's move on to the fourth line, which starts from box number 16. Ta. Next one. Noon. Then Waw. Then Fa. And finally Ya. Well done. Now let's do the same line from left to right, starting with box number 20. Ya, Fa, Waw, Noon, Ta. Well done. Let's start the next line. This is the fifth line, starting with box number 21. Hamza. Next one. Kaf, Kaf. Next one. Dal. The next one. Alif. The next one. Ra. Well done. Now, the same line we shall do from left to right, starting with box number 25. Ra, Alif, Dal, Kaf, Hamza. Very good. Now we are on the last line. The last line we should start from box number 26. Sheen. Next one. Dha. Dha. It's a full mouth. Next one, box number 28. Ain. Ain. Ain is pronounced from the middle part of the throat. The next one, box number 29. Ba. Ba. And the next one, the last one, box number 30. Ha. Ha. Now let's do the same line from left to right, starting with box number 30. Ha, Ba, Ain, Dha, Sheen. Well done. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you practice these letters and you recognize all the different letters, remembering If there are any letters with dots, how many dots the letter has? Are the dots on the top? Are the dots on the bottom? How many dots does each letter have? Please try to remember all these things so it will become easy for you to recognize every letter. Jazakallahu khairan. Inshallah, I shall see you at the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.